Hello and welcome to Quick Tips 2. Gemini is the AI-powered assistant from Google that can help you with your daily tasks and make you more productive. Today I'm going to show you how to use Google Gemini to identify flowers and plants on your phone and get instant answers. First, you will need to download and install the Google Gemini app on your phone. I've already installed it, so I will just open the app. Now, to identify a plant, you need to take a photo or use a picture from your phone. So tap on the camera icon. I already have a picture on my phone, so I will select it from my gallery. Then tap Attach. Now you can ask any question about this picture. You can type it or use your mic. I will use my mic. What's the name of this plant? Then tap Enter. As you can see, the plant has been identified as a geranium, which is correct. You can also follow up with other questions. For example, how do I care for geraniums? As you can see, I got good information about exposure to sunlight, watering, soil and fertilizer. A simple way to use Google Gemini to identify flowers and plants and get instant answers to your questions. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below the video. With Quick Tips 2, knowledge has no limits.